Hello, Plant of Agricultural Machines presents you the OBC-25, self-propelled grain cleaner equipped with the cyclone. You will see efficient oil seed rape cleaning from the wheat seeds and other impurities with sieve and aspiration systems in this video. It is a big pile of raw material and it has a lot of grain impurities, insects, sticks and other impurities from the start. Machine removes grain impurities and large insects through the auger of fodder waste. You can see it. The OBC-25 extracts light impurities such as dust, small insects, wheat seeds and other waste, then transfers it to the dust extraction system using a cyclone. After all, machine unloads cleared seed rape through the unloading elevator. So the OBC-25 did a good job and the task is done. You will be satisfied with the result when purchasing this machine, because you get maximum efficiency using simple and reliable machine.